Hello traders, this is day 20 of my 1 minute pocket option trading challenge. I started this challenge with $100. Now after trading for 19 days, I'm standing at $5,000. Let's see where I can reach today. I'm going to use my 1 minute trading strategy. We'll trade in front of you. We'll explain you the whole strategy and the logic behind so that you guys can do the same while trading. Let's go. This video is not financial advice. Everything shown here reflects my personal trading journey and is shared for educational purpose only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and trading decisions. Trading carries significant risk and results may vary depending on your experience, strategy, and risk management. These videos are simply me documenting what I do in the markets. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Currently, I'm watching odd USD chart and I have a trade opportunity. Let me first mark the zone and then I will take the trade. So as you can see, this particular candle gave a breakout. So it left a liquidity zone behind and I'm going to use the same zone for a reversal trade. Right now, price is reversing after, price hit the zone. Let's focus on the 5-second chart. If on 5-second chart, I get a reversal pattern, I'll go for a trade in the upside direction. Chances of reversal are high. Yes, that's the confirmation. So let me explain you the setup. It's a simple setup. If you focus, this is an uptrend market. This candle created buying because it shows that there is a breakout, which means that price will go up. So retail buyers will place buy orders. Their stop losses will lie here, which means liquidity. And when we have liquidity, we all know that price moves towards liquidity. The price went down, goes down to grab the liquidity to hit the stop loss of retail buyer. Once price goes inside this zone, on 5-second chart, we clearly get the confirmation. This is the confirmation. Here, price failed to create and get selling pressure. The price went up and it closes above and it formed a strong reversal pattern. That's why it was a good confirmation for me. Right now, we are running in loss last 1 second and we closed in loss, but I will take another trade because sometimes the price can take more time to reverse, but I know that price will reverse. This is a clear indication. Let's wait for the result now. We have booked profit. Let me explain you the setup. So it's the same setup, same logic. Price goes for the liquidity, hit the stop losses and then reverses. Our first trade was here, which we lost because price took longer to reverse. But I took the second trade here because this candle also gave another break from the recently rejected level, confirming that price will go up. So the logic is same, that price goes down to grab the liquidity to hit the stop loss of retail buyers and then it reverses. Logic was same, but we lost the first trade because of our wrong entry or wrong timing, but we won the second trade because ultimately the analysis was suggesting that price will go up. So we have taken 2 trades, one was loss, one was profit. Currently we are in overall loss, so let's find other trading setup now. Currently on this chart, I have a clear trade opportunity. First I will take the trade and then I will explain you the setup. Yes, it's a setup. I have taken the trade. Let me explain you the setup. So just focus here. This was previously formed swing low. Price goes up. After that it falls. After falling, price does not break this zone, which means that chances of reversal are high. On this candle, when this candle was forming, when I open the 5-second chart, there is a clear reversal pattern. This was the first reversal pattern, an engulfing pattern. When price tried to break, it formed engulfing pattern. And I placed my trade here because I saw the confirmation here. When I opened this chart, the price was here, so I placed the trade here because there is another confirmation. If you focus, this candle gave a reversal pattern. After that, price took longer to break this zone, but finally this candle break the zone, which means it's another confirmation that buyers are pushing and they are strong in this particular situation, and that's why I took this trade. So it was a simple setup. Price hit the recently formed swing low, failed to break, and formed a reversal pattern on the 5-second chart that compels me to place the trade because buyers were looking strong here. I have a similar trade opportunity on odd USD. As I can see, we have a recently formed resistance level. Price failed to break. Let's see if we have any confirmation on the 5-second chart. And there is no solid confirmation till now. I will wait. If price try to break this zone and then it formed a reversal pattern, that will be a confirmation, a sure confirmation for a reversal trade. Right now, you can see that price is standing just at the level. I just want the price to try to break this zone and then reverse instantly so that it will be a solid confirmation. Right now, this is low volume market. You can see it's not moving. I just need, okay, this is what I was waiting for. Now I need a reversal pattern and exactly the same reversal pattern here. And I place the trade. It's the exact same pattern. There is no difference at all. The last trade that we took on this chart, let me just show you the exact confirmation. You see, let me show you the 1 minute chart. On 1 minute chart, price stopped at the support, tried to break, and when it was trying to break, it formed this reversal pattern. My entry was here because I got another breakout from the recent level. So this is the exit confirmation. And now on odd USD also, what do you have? You have the exact same confirmation here and exact same confirmation here. This is the breakout candle from the recent level, and on this chart also we got the breakout candle. So it's the exact same setup, exact same confirmation, and we easily booked profit in this trade. So that is how you should trade. You don't have to do something extraordinary. You just have to stick with the rules and the strategy and wait for the right opportunity. There is no difference in this setup if we compare it with this one. Everything seems perfect and similar. Price stopped at the recently formed swing low. In this case, price stopped at the recently formed swing high. Price tried to break, and as soon as it break, it formed a reversal pattern. And similar story was here. When price tried to break, suddenly it formed a reversal pattern, and after that price reverses, and the same thing is going on here. So it's the exact same replica, and we booked profit in both trades. These are similar trade setup. Let's find one more setup and then we will end this session. Currently, I'm watching Euro US dollar chart and I have a trade opportunity. Let me first draw the key levels. So we have this extreme resistance that I'm going to use for a reversal trade. This is high probability reversal zone. I will wait for the price to hit this zone. Once price reach here, I will look for reversal confirmation on the 5-second chart. Let's wait for that. This is a high probability zone. Previously, price reverses very strongly from the same zone. I'm expecting similar behavior from the charts. Let's wait now. Price goes inside the zone. Now I'm switching to the 5-second chart to get the confirmation on 5-second chart. As you can see, price is inside the zone, and now all I need is a solid reversal confirmation that suggests that yes, sellers are active and they will now push the price in the downward direction. Right now, price is not showing the weakness that I required, but I expect that price will soon start reversing after giving us solid reversal pattern. Currently, you can see that price is creating new highs, which means that buyers are still active here. But let's see, this is the last boundary, and okay, currently I can see that now the sellers are showing interest. I can see the rejection. I need solid reversal pattern to place a reversal trade. By showing breakout, okay, got rejected back. Chances of reversal are still high, and yes, I have placed the trade in the downward direction after getting a clear reversal pattern. Let me explain you this trade. It's a simple trade setup. On 1 minute chart, I had drawn this extreme resistance level, which means a selling zone. According to me, the price needs to reverse from this zone because previously also price shows similar behavior. When price goes inside, I was waiting clearly for a solid selling candle. Here you can see when price goes inside, it formed this bearish candle, but it was not the confirmation. After that, price created new high, then new high, but when it hit the boundary, you can see the first rejection, then it tried to break, again rejection, try to break again, and finally a strong bearish candle. And this is where I place the trade, and in the next 4 seconds I will have my result, and I booked profit in this trade. So it's a simple setup. I use the extreme resistance to place a reversal trade using 5-second confirmation. Summary for today: I've taken 5 trades, 4 are in the profit, 1 was in the loss. It was because the price took longer to reverse. The analysis was correct and the price does reverse, but it reversed after 1 minute. The other thing that you have to notice here is the difference in the trade timing. The last trade was at this time and you can see the difference. Almost 67 minutes I waited for this opportunity. This is the level of patience that you required. Then only you will have those positive days in trading. You can see my session started around 100 minutes ago. So I spent so much time during this session, and I can tell you clearly that if you have patience and if you can wait for the right opportunity, you will have a positive days. If you have that FOMO and if you rush when taking trades, then you will not have those results that you always dreamed of. Have patience, maintain the discipline. That is it for today's session. I hope you have learned something from this session. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.